Good afternoon. We're doing 2020 Bowman hobby for Greg. Austin, I might do the Chronicles football because that's a really fast. We can do all those cards very quickly. But like this, literally on a case of this, it takes over an hour just to break it into teams. Which I know doesn't matter to anybody but us, but time is time on one level or not. Greg, ship you everything, I'm sure, at this price. Good luck, Greg. Here we go. Oh, that's nice. Puason. Am I pronouncing his name right? Does anybody know? That's what it looks like. Acuna. That's sharp in the 90 Bowman style. Luis Robert rookie. Escobar out of 150 paper. So Pawson, John, is that better? Or is it along a Payson? John Diaz Chrome. Pawson? Okay. I'll try to remember that. Thomas Dillard base for the Brewers. Lux rookie. Trout. Jordan Alvarez. (17 of 25) Mike King. Hidden Finds. Bobby Witt. Bobby Witt Chrome. $57 of $299, Hunter Green. Jasson Dominguez. Kevin Lux. Yusnel Diaz. Bo Bichette. Kyle Lewis. Greg, well, a little color, but not killer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you'd like any more. Zach, how you doing this afternoon? As always, thank you guys for your continued support through these crazy hobby times. We'll be on till 6 Eastern time today. Probably on Monday at some point. We do have Mosaic Blasters. We also have Select, which I think Panini sold out of today at $1.99 in, someone said, 5 minutes. Twelfth Man, good afternoon. Marv B, good afternoon. Greg, good luck. Here we go. Box 2. Bobby Witt. Bobby Witt Chrome. Wander Franco. Lux rookie. Jordan Alvarez rookie. What's up, Fall Man? Jordan Alvarez Rookie of the Year favorite. Pawson first Bowman Chrome. Luis Robert rookie. Finally, something rare. 179 of 250, Luis Garcia purple. Bichette. Like Soroka paper. Hey, there's a gold. Finally, 5 of 50. Julio Rodriguez, Aaron Knapp, and Jared Kalenic gold. Talent pipeline. Come on. One other thing, just for the record, I don't think... Hey, Jasson Dominguez chrome. Nice, Greg. Bobby Bradley refractor. That is 156 of 499. Tim, 144 will do. Ramos. Yeah, no color autos so far. Refractors. And finally, our first Dominguez chrome. Kyle Lewis. This is a, I think, Hobby Direct case. Yeah, it was. Sticker? Okay. What I was going to say is I don't think we have a problem. It's not storming that bad, but we do have the possibility of heavy thunderstorms coming through today. And as always, if we get knocked offline, I just stop the break, leave everything on screen, and I don't start up until whoever's breaking is back live with me. So I don't think it's going to be that bad, but there is a possibility of heavy storms here in Tennessee. So if everything goes out, I'll just stop. We're getting heavy rain right now. But spring or summer in Tennessee, we get heavy rain fairly often. All right, Tim is up whenever Greg is done. Yeah, the rain isn't a problem. It's the it's the thunderstorms. Good luck, Greg. Box 3. Mateo. Bobby Witt Jr. Jasson Dominguez, spanning the globe. Yeah, if everybody would follow us or subscribe on YouTube, Breakers, we would appreciate it. Also, if anybody wants product shipped, Kevin loaded this in the store. If you want it shipped sealed, we're happy to do that. Price is all the same. Shipping is the same. We have Select, Bowman, and Mosaic is all new today. And he just loaded it a little bit ago. Connor Cannon. Oh, finally a gold. There you go. 2 of 50. Connor Cannon gold. Pretty well centered. Jordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux, back-to-back. Hey, Paul, we're doing Greg is up, and then someone's going to do some Prism, and then if you want Bowman, just let me know. Franco Chrome. Jordan Alvarez and Lux back-to-back again. .62 of 75, yellow, Keibert Ruiz.
No.
Aquino paper. Tavares out of 150.
6.
Bo Bichette.
Yeah.
Kyle Lewis.
And well, we did have him higher, but you know.
Dominguez. Yes, I have Select Baseball at 199.
Mm-hmm. 199. Panini sold out of it in like 5 minutes. At 199.
Greg, congrats. Finally some color, man. One more. Okay. And then Tim is up.
Mosaics. Had mosaic blasters at 70.
Top box. Good luck, Greg. Thanks, man. Thank you as always.
Yeah, sure, man.
Guys, as always, man, it's best to put in chat if you have questions or what you want. I know some of you are IMing, some people text, some people email. When I'm breaking, really, chat is easier.
Oh, not yet. I'm not even paying attention.
Here we go. Toro. Pawson. .52 of 125, Cabrian Hayes. Bichette and Lewis. Aquino. Bieber out of 499. Horner, Nico Horner rookie. Pawson Chrome. Lux. Philip Clark. Greg, this might be a 1 of 1. A Philip Clark Topps certified autograph issue with no autograph. I'm not sure what to say other than
Contact ops.
I don't know how good he is. It's not a first Bowman Chrome. Might be more valuable unsigned. Jordan Alvarez. Miguel Vargas. Well, Greg, I picked that one. I'll take all the blame, credit, blame. I'm sorry. Kirilov. Yeah, that might be a 1 of 1. That was the auto spot. It was flipped like the autos are in the product, so. Greg, thanks, man.